In today's video, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at the Task Manager in Windows 10. In order to bring up the Task Manager, we need to press the Control key, the Shift key, and the Escape key. When you first open it, you'll get this view with just the applications you have opened yourself or that open when you start up your system. If one of them is not responding, it will tell you, and you can click on it and end the task. Be aware that this will not save your document, and you may likely be prompted if you would like to save it. However, if the document is not responding, you may not get this option, so make sure you frequently save your work. If we come over to more details here, we get a lot more details on all the applications and services that run on Windows 10 to keep it running. As you can see, there are a lot, and don't be alarmed, they are all meant to be here. Moving on to the next tab, we can see our performance, where we can monitor the components of our computer and see how much temperature they're giving off, how hard they're working, and how hard they can work. Next is our app history, which will show you when the app has been running and using our CPU, which has an internal clock, which clocks how long the application's been running for. As you can see, all my applications are listed here. Next up is our startup, where you can enable and disable products to launch on startup of your system. If you have a program that's launching and you don't want it to launch and you're unsure how to stop it, then you can simply come over here, right click and disable it. Next we have our users tab, which will show you just your use on your computer. If we had another user logged in, we would see how much they are using the computer and how much stress they're putting it under. Next we have our details tab, which will show you all of the services running on your computer. Again, don't be alarmed, these are meant to be running. And our services too, which is the very in-depth dive into everything that's running to keep Windows 10 working as well as it does. With our file, we can run a new task, and this will open the run command, and we can open any program from there as well. Our options are all doing with how we view and how they update too. I hope this video has helped. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT solutions, cloud support, Office 365 and many more services.